Go ahead, Mira. Run back over there. Meow. You scary? Huh? You scary? It's raining in there. I like it. Mora. Mora do not want to get wet for nothing. Stop. Why you don't get wet? Why?
Get wet.
She got on her little Minnie Mouse bag. This suit is so pretty.
Get Minnie wet. Minnie can get wet.
It's so nice here, y'all. I don't want to record nobody else's kids, but it's so cute. We at the splash park. Minnie, cheese.
I've seen a lot of those.
Cheese. Say cheese.
Take a picture of the word folder.
You say cheese? Mora. Mora at the park. Come on. Come on. Ooh, this is a beautiful park, y'all. It's attached to the splash thing. It's so nice. Come on. Come. Which way you going up? You gotta go back around, or you going this way? Go ahead that way. That way? Okay. Come on, put them in there. Okay. Yay! Yay, boo! Mora. Are you getting on a big slide? Come on. Woo! Yay! High five. Yay. Okay, come on. Mommy can't see you. Mora, come on. Mora, look, mommy right here. Come. Cheese. Come on. I see you. Yep, go down. Go down, good girl. Hello. What's going on, YouTube? It's your girl Sham, and I'm back with another video. Y'all see, we're at the park. It's a huge park, y'all. It's called Mercer County Park. We was at the Splash Park a little earlier. Well, not a little earlier, but y'all see in the beginning clip, we was at the little Splash Park over there. And then now we are at the regular park. There's a kiddie side, and then there's a bigger side over there. Y'all keep saying more. But Mimi is right there. She told some Mimi, come on. Mimi, come on. Zayden is over there somewhere, y'all. He lost in the sauce. They having a birthday party shoot.
What's going on, YouTube?
Yeah, it's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful hot day. It's what, like almost 90 degrees. Oh, y'all, I want to show y'all too. They have, right? They have the what is it called again? The rowboats over there, y'all. I'm about to flip the rowboats over there, y'all. So freaking nice. The rowboats, there go the house thing. They got the ice cream truck over there for the kids. Look, y'all, it's just so nice. One thing about this park is that they have like everything for you. You know, it's literally the bike trail over there. It's what else? It's the bike trail. It's a football area, a baseball thing. It's just everything. Tennis, basketball, everything. Skating, everything in the inside that we never went to, but they got skating. Yo, literally, they have everything. Like, this is a beautiful park to come to. Like, this is a beautiful park. Mora and Mimi are off over there. I have not seen Zayden the whole time we've been over here. That's the whole funny thing. I haven't seen Zayden. He is over there. What color is Zayden got on?
He right there.
Okay, I do see Zayden. Let me see if I could zoom in on him. He right over there, y'all, with Mora. Yeah, but it's just a beautiful day in the park. We staying hydrated. We got our waters. More ice, but we got our water. Yeah, we're just enjoying ourselves.
Like, dude.
Yes. Yo, I want to get on the rowboat so bad. Look, babe, they got something else over there. Is them regular boats? I can't see.
That's
more rowboats?
Put them in.
Yo, they got everything
like
over here. It's so. That's why me and Bae gonna come here and we're gonna have a romantic day. We're gonna have a romantic day
I
over
don't
here.
think they'll let them put, because that don't even look like it's
Yeah,
like
it's
sturdy
stable.
enough.
Yo,
to-
somebody trying to put their own
Yeah,
floaties in the water.
They gotta want that. They will
But-
definitely go out there when they boat down. Gotta take that out of the water.
Yes, yeah. Yeah, but it's a
It's not
beautiful day out
hard
here.
enough. Soft.
It's a nice, cute day out here. People be walking their dogs. It's just love over here at Mertz County Park. But y'all just turned the camera on because I just wanted to record a little bit of this and a little bit of that. Because we ain't see y'all in a while. We've been in the cut. Like, we've been chilling. So, yeah. And your girl ain't had nothing to post the other day. And I'm not just picking up the camera, just post whatever. They got kayaking too, y'all. It's kayaking over here. What? Y'all gonna see me post a video one day with me and Bay out there in the water. That's gonna be a sight to see. That's gonna be a sight to see because we never actually got in the water together.
Yep. So mark that down as a plan, because we forget.
Yeah. Look, y'all can literally see the people over there on them. Oh, they're so cutie. Let me see what these children's doing. I see it. Yeah, there they go.
She telling you to get off?
Get off my baby. I gotta put her bottoms on, y'all. But tell me this is not the perfect spot for these children. Like, it's literally the splash park. They hot. They give you a whole 45 minutes. I saw it. They give you a whole little 45 minutes to go play and everything, y'all. It's fun. And then they come to the park when they want to dry up and stuff like that. They give everybody a chance, though. So that's literally fun. No. And then we don't have to worry about running to the beach and everything, trying to get ready and all that for the beach. It's literally everything here. So when we have a picnic, I'm going to vlog the picnic also. Where's Mora?
What? She should be right here.
In this little park or the big one?
Little one.
She should be in the little one. Unless she ran over there.
She just ran up there.
Oh, she's right.
That ain't Mora. Oh my goodness.
I just heard her. She's just a baby.
Let me go find my baby, y'all. I'll be right back.
Mama's having a good time. And here comes Zayden. Say what's up, Zayden. What's up, man? No, say hi. What's up, guys? So, today we're at the park. I'm pretty sure Mommy already told the rest. We're having so much fun, but it was so cold at the water park, the splash park, guys. So, if you want to come meet us, come here and see you later. Peace.
Y'all, look at the plane. It was super low. Memory didn't record. He's a bad recorder. Super bad recorder. The girl is cooking on her. I'm cooking on my little, y'all know what this is. For the people that don't know what it is a freaking cast iron skillet, the ones with the grill marks. So, we having a little bit of grill food in the house today, y'all. You guys, the food is done. I have a hot cheeseburger, a hot dog, beef hot dog at that, some devil eggs, you guys, some beans with the ground beef in there, and a shrimp on a stick. All made by me, of course, and they did the burgers. But yes, the girl is finna really good. Let me taste these beans on camera. So good. The beans is nice and good. And like I told y'all, I made everything on my skillet, y'all. Devil eggs hit different. Let me get some Yo, and then the good thing about it, that we went out early today, because they had to go to work anyway, so we did it right, and it's about to rain, it looks like, so we did everything right.
Mommy, it's about rain.
This girl don't be quiet for nothing. Go eat your food.
No, Gabby.
I forgot to say my grace.
Mommy, oh, Gabby.
You got food, right? Don't you have food too?
Oh, Gabby.
Go eat it. Yeah, y'all, but I'm finna eat the rest of my food. Here's my food. My hair looking mess. My jaw basing. It's your girl, Sham. And I'm gonna catch y'all. We're not catch y'all. I love y'all so much. See y'all later.